So on the 9th of June, I was at Cartland near Carlow because I wanted to see some of the freight there. However, my first catch today was 1S43, the 1744 cross-country service to Glasgow Central from Bristol Temple Meads with 221131. And then this is 1M18, the 1755 Van to West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390129. And then this is 1MO3, the 1800 DB cargo service to Warrington Royal Mail DPS from Gilmuir Mail Terminal with 325004, and I didn't get the number of the rear unit. And then it is 2B95, the 1757 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Lanark with 32418 and 320304. And then this is 2B74, the 1814 ScotRail service to Lanark from Glasgow Central with 385024 and 385003. And then this is 1C06, the 1825 ScotRail service to Carstairs from Anderston with 32306 and 320403. And then this is 1D57, the 1824 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Edinburgh with 380107. And then this is 4M11, the early 1848 turned up at 1832 Freightliner service to Grubas Hall SSM from Coatbridge FLT with 90015 and 90011. And then this is 4S71, the 1833 DRS service to Motherwell TMD DRS from Doncaster West Yard with 66303. And then this is 5B07, the 1838 ScotRail service to Motherwell Derby CE from Carstairs with a return of 32403 and 320306. And then this is 1S72, the early 1847 turned up at 1840 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central from London Euston with 390-130. And then this is 4S44, the early 1946 turn up at 1912 direct rail service to Moss End Down Yard from Daventry INT RFT Recap FL with 88010. And then my last catch that night would be 4M48, the 1921 direct rail service to Daventry DRS Tesco from Moss End Euro Terminal with 88003.